the Amoyegeso of Itele and his Oloris, all members of the Ogun State Executive Council. I'll use the Honorable Commissioner for Chieftaincy Affairs and Local Government as a point of respect to all other members of the Ogun State Executive Council here today. His Royal Highness, or rather, His Royal Majesty, Oba Sikiru Kayode Adetono, CFR, the Awujale and Paramount ruler of Ijebu land, ably, suitably represented by his very beautiful Olori Kemi Adetono. I use Olori as a point of greetings to all the Oloris that are here this afternoon to celebrate with our very amiable Kabis.
What's the difference there?
All other royal fathers that are here present, permit me to use Kabiyesi, the Orimolusi of Ijebu, as a point of respect and greetings to all our other Kabiyesis that are here this afternoon. I'm also paying my regards and recognitions to all Kabiyesis, children and grandchildren. His Excellency, former Deputy Governor, Distinguished Senator Adigbega Kaka, and all other members of the National Assembly, members of the Ogun State House of Assembly that are here present, the Executive Chairman of Ijebu East Local Government, Honorable Adetutu Elizabeth, and all other council chairmen that are here present today. The Iyalaje of Ijebu land, Alaja Korede and Latishe. Permit me to recognize all other members of various groups and associations that are here, all the Regberebes that are here, all the members of the Council of Octobers that are here, all the imams that were here. They were here before I arrived. I want to appreciate all of you. I want to use the Chief Imam of Ijebu Itele, Alhaji Sheikh Mudiulai Owonoko as a point of greetings to all the Chief Imams that are here this evening. We have our Olorugun Chief Sonifu here, the newest of Benyoja of Ijebu land. Sir, my utmost respect and regards to you. Before I make my few remarks, I would like to thank and appreciate the Olori Omoba of Ijebu land himself, who is here representing himself and also entertaining all of us, and all the Omobas, representing all the Omobas as well. He's here in a multiple capacity, representing all the Omobas and also providing us with the entertainment that today deserves. All the women that are here today supporting Kabiyesi and the Oloris, gentlemen of the press, all the Yalojas, ladies and gentlemen, it's indeed a pleasure for me to be here this afternoon to join all of us in thanking the Almighty God and appreciating Him for what He has done by granting our very own Kabiyesi, the Amoyegeso of Itele, Oba Muftau Adesoya Kasali, the benevolence and grace to have lived such an eventful, impactful life and seeing him through the hills and valleys of this world, preserve his life to witness his 80th birthday. Kabiyesi, we rejoice with you. we rejoice with you. You are a good man. Kabiyesi is an intellectual. They don't get any better than this. We are very proud to associate with you. You are from multiple ruling houses. The Fidikote ruling house in Ijebu, and also you are a prince of Ijebu and a prince of Itele, coming from two ruling houses, both in Ijebu and Itele. You are a very humble man. You are a very astute scholar. You went through early education in Ilorin and moved on to the prestigious University of Lagos, where you bagged a very rare first class in electrical engineering. First, Ekilapu. You proceeded to the General Electric School, where you also bagged a master's degree and a PhD, still in electrical engineering. You came back home because you are determined to serve your fatherland. You didn't have to come back because you were a brilliant scholar. You came back and joined the National Electric Power Authority, and you rose through the ranks. You were eventually a general manager in the Niger Delta Power Company, from where you answered that call to come and assume the throne of your forefathers in the year 2000, and you were crowned in year 2003. 20 years going to 24 years. The 24 years, 24, you have been 21 years officially crowned, sometime I think March of 2024. Kabiyesi, not only were you an intellectual, not only were you brilliant, you are also a sportsman, an avid sportsman. As you are winning laurels in education, you are winning laurels in sports. You won various trophies in sports. You were recognized by University of Lagos as a first-class alumni and also a sportsman, meaning that you are a well-rounded individual. You are not just an intellectual, but you combine being an intellectual as well as excelling in sports. Kabiyesi, you are a loving husband to your Oloris. Without a doubt, you are a doting father to your children. You have 17 children. Kabiyesi, I was asking you, how did you do it? You have to teach me. You have to teach me, Kabiyesi, and I'm going to employ my brother, the husband of my deputy governor, to also teach me as well. Because my name is Saheed, I'm going to go and bring out my Muslim name so I can use that as an opportunity to also have. Kabiyesi, I hope I'm not too late to start having 17 children. Oh my God. Very Abiodun, my catch up. Kabiyesi has 19 grandchildren. You know, he's a loving father, doting father. You know, this is what we call leaving legacies in the hands of time. And Kabiyesi's children are all very successful. They are doctors, they are engineers. They are doing so well in their various chosen, you know, professions and career. Kabiyesi, we rejoice with you. I'm here, my deputy governor is here, my cabinet members are here. On behalf of my family and the entire people and government of your great state, I want to first thank you, Kabiyesi, for the rock-solid support that you have given me in the course of my political career. Kabiyesi will follow me from village to village, from ward to ward, when I was busy building my political career. Oh, irú tí wọ́n ó ṣọ̀wọ́n ẹ bá mi fún wọn látẹ̀wọ́. Kabiyesi ẹ pẹ́ fún wa, ẹ jẹ ọmọ pẹ́pẹ́pẹ́pẹ́pẹ́pẹ́, ẹ kó wa jẹ pẹ́pẹ́pẹ́pẹ́, adé máa pẹ́ lórí, bàtà máa pẹ́ lẹ́sẹ̀, ìrùkẹ̀rẹ̀ á pọ̀ láàfin, àwọn olórí wọn máa ṣe ẹ̀tọ́ wọn, eku á máa ké bí eku, ẹyẹ á máa ké bí ẹyẹ. Kabiyesi, Our prayer for you today is that the Almighty God will continue to answer all your prayers. He will continue to grant the desires of your heart. He will grant you the grace to fulfill your destiny. You continue to live to see your children, your children's children, and your great-grandchildren all in good health and in Jesus' mighty name. Kábíyèsí, congratulations. Congratulations. I don't have to you. Kábíyèsí ṣe bá pé 90, àbá wá sí ìbámu àbá ń ṣe 90. Gbogbo àwọn tó máa pé 80 ẹ̀náwó sókè o. Ẹ̀náwó sí kábíyèsí ẹ̀sọ́kè kábíyèsí. Ẹ̀ẹ́pẹ́ láyé o. Ẹ̀ẹ́pẹ́ 90 o. Ṣé bá pé 100 àjọ máa wà bíbá ẹni o. Pẹ̀lú ògo Ọlọ́run. I want to thank all that have come from far and near to be part of today's celebration. My prayer is that may the sounds of rejoicing never cease in our various homes in Jesus' mighty name. I pray the Almighty God has brought you here today safely. We will take you back home safely in Jesus' mighty name. Thank you very much for listening to me, and God bless you. We'll proceed to cut Kábíyèsí's cake. Where's Kábíyèsí's cake? Sorry, table.